as introduction, let's meet our organizer, Miss Mita Mahodra and Mrs. Lim, right? And we are very pleased today. The reason we are here today is to do a photo shoot for our lovely product, skincare product, which is called From Nature from Korea. So it's actually they have this new series called H Intense Treatment Series. We have our representative from Malaysia today. Her name is called Collie. We represent From Nature.
Hi.
And you guys are very lucky because you get a very talented makeup artist to sponsor our makeup today. And his name is called Lawrence.
Hello.
And not forgetting our photographer today. So his name is called Calvin, and one of his partner here, which is called Billy here. So Calvin has been with me in New York last year, and we went to New York Couture Fashion Week. So I hope you guys work it out today. So all of you today will be given a shot of 20 shots for each of you individually. So work it out within the 20 shots. So you'll be marked accordingly during your practice, and your photos will be marked accordingly. Alright, thank you so much.